If you started your wellness business because you wanted more freedom, but somehow you're working longer hours than ever before, then this video is for you. If you've ever answered customer messages at 10 p.m., or you've forgotten to follow up with someone, or you felt guilty for taking the day off, then this video is definitely for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 signs that your business is actually running you and what successful wellness entrepreneurs do differently. My name is Mandy Sommers. I'm the owner and creator of Sommers School, and I've actually been in the wellness space for over 20 years as a triathlon coach, and then as a top affiliate for many of the major wellness brands. I have sold millions of dollars in courses and affiliate products, so I know exactly the things that keep wellness business owners stuck. I work with wellness entrepreneurs every single day, and I've noticed something interesting. Most people don't need to work harder. They actually just need a better system. So I want to know how many of these signs sound familiar. Put it in the comments if this is you. Sign number 1, you just can't take the day off. Because if you take the day off and you go on vacation, your business stops or all the issues arise and there's no one there to help with it. Or if you get sick, everything pauses. Your business stops again. You spend Saturday with family, guess what? Your leads disappear. If your business only grows when you are actively working, then you've created a job, not a business. So if you've ever felt guilty for taking time off, then sign number 1, I want you to put that in the comments below. Sign number 2 is you're consistently answering the same questions over and over again. Example, somebody messages you, which product do I use for sleep? How do I place an order? Where's the link? How do I get connected with this community? What is the special for the month? How do I join in your community and your team? If you've ever spent time typing out the same exact answers over and over again, day after day, you're wasting hours and hours each week. This is something that could very easily be automated and systematized. If you've ever spent time onboarding people over and over again, you need a system. This is something that can be systematized. So I want you to put a 2 in the comments if you resonate with anything that I just said. Sign number 3 is you're always wondering who you forgot. This is incredibly relatable for me because before I had a system, I had Post-it notes all over my mirrors, my desk, and I would always think, wait, I know that there's someone that I need to message. Then somebody connects with you and they're like, I never heard back from you, or you forget birthdays, or you forget to follow up, or you forget somebody who really needed to buy the product that you had. So this is not because you're disorganized. It's because you're trying to remember what software should remember for you. And this is one reason why I'm so passionate about helping wellness entrepreneurs build out a solid system using GHL. It is a all-in-one software that does all of your appointment bookings. It does all of your websites, your funnels, your emails, your follow-up, your texting, your membership sites. You can even sell products on there. And I teach wellness entrepreneurs just like you how to build out a complete system so that you do have that freedom that we were talking about at the very beginning. It's so simple to get connected to it. All you have to do is check out the 30-day free trial in the description below. You'll also get access to my weekly mentoring. This is a group setting where every Tuesday we get together. I teach some sort of marketing connection with GHL, and then I open it up and you can literally bring whatever strategy questions that you have and we can build out your system right there together. Sign number 4 is every month feels like starting over again. Have you this just hurts me that I've totally felt this before. This is a cycle. We post, we hope, we wait, nothing comes. We repeat, we don't have a pipeline, we don't have a nurture sequence, we have no consistent flow. And I want to help you change that. I want to help you change that so every month it feels like you're growing, not starting over. And when you have a system that collects leads automatically and then they get thrown into a nurture sequence where they're getting emailed consistently, you can show up with massive energy for your wellness business that you've always dreamed about. If every new month feels like day one, then your business isn't growing. It's actually just resetting. So sign number 5 is you're the bottleneck. This is actually a huge one. Everything depends on you. You have to send every email. You have to remember every birthday. You welcome every brand new customer. You schedule every appointment. You have to fulfill every appointment, and you follow up manually. If that's the case, then you don't actually own a business. The business owns you. And this is why I'm passionate about helping you build out your systems using GHL. There came a point when I realized I couldn't keep everything in my head, and I didn't need another planner. I didn't need more motivation. What I needed was systems, and the systems change everything. So this isn't about replacing relationships. It's about creating more space for relationships. Automations handle your welcome emails, your follow-ups, your appointment reminders, your customer education, your lead tracking, your lead gathering, your text messaging, your membership delivery. They even can respond on your Instagram account when you say comment wellness, and then they get access to whatever it is that you're selling. This gives you the ability to actually focus on serving people instead of focusing on trying to remember everything. So I use Go High Level because it brings everything into one place. So instead of having sticky notes and Messenger and email and Google Docs and Google Forms and calendars on Calendarly and all these different apps that I'm paying for, everything works together, and you can try it for free for 30 days. And then after that, I was actually paying $775 for all the different things that are in GHL. Now it's only $97 for all of that in one beautiful program. So you don't need Active and WordPress and ClickFunnels. It's all in one place. You don't have to have Shopify and all these things. It comes together. It's your blog, it's your shop, it's your website, all of the things. And the beautiful thing is they connect together so you can see the customer journey that your people are taking. Imagine waking up knowing every single lead has been followed up with. Imagine taking a weekend off without worrying about your business and if it would disappear. That is what systems give you. So if you've liked to see exactly how to build these automations, then I invite you to check out my GHL link below. Jump into my Tuesday calls. Once you get your GHL trial, you'll get added in automatically to my Tuesday strategy calls. I've linked the free trial and the beginner training below. I'm curious which sign described your business the best. To be honest, I think we've all been to all those places at some point. I want you to comment below so that we can cheer you on and say, you've got this. I'm so excited to help you in this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And hopefully you'll subscribe to Summer School, where we teach bite-sized lessons that make a big impact. See you in the next video.